In this tutorial video we will be learning about phase kickback. We will be doing this in Google Colab. Like we did in previous video, we will start with installation of Blueqat. We can do it by using this code !pip install Blueqat. Type the code that was shown earlier in Google Colab. Then click on play button and Blueqat will be installed. Phase kickback. Consider a unitary gate U and its eigenstate psi. From the nature of unitary gates, the eigenvalues can be expressed as e to the power I theta using a certain phase angle theta. Let's say we want to find this theta. Since it appears as a global phase, it is difficult to measure it directly. Phase kickback is a technique for extracting theta information into a different qubit than psi. Then, we can know theta by measuring the qubit. For this purpose, we use CU, which is a controlled gate of U. Let's consider a simple example. First, set the unitary gate as follows. In this case, 1 wrangle is an eigenstate. The eigenvalue is e to the power I theta. The control unitary gate is. The phase kickback uses the following quantum circuit. First, we create a superposition state by acting an H-gate on the auxiliary qubit. Next, let U theta act on the eigenstate with the auxiliary qubit as the control qubit. This allows the eigenvalue to be retrieved as a coefficient. As shown above, we have extracted theta as the coefficient of the superposition state of the auxiliary qubit. Here we will focus only on the auxiliary qubit. If we measure the auxiliary qubit, 0 wrangle and 1 wrangle are equally probable, so we will act H-gate again. We were able to convert the relative phase difference to an amplitude difference using an H-gate. Finally, if we repeatedly measure the auxiliary qubit, the probability of measuring 0 wrangle, PR0 wrangle, is. From the above, we can estimate the real part of the eigenvalue. Let's implement the above in Blueqat. First, import circuit and numpy. Copy the code written below. The theta is determined by a random number. From the results of the run, determine the percentage of 0 wrangle measured on the auxiliary qubit. Compare the estimated value theta est calculated from it with theta determined in advance by a random number. From the above, we were able to estimate theta by phase kickback. The accuracy of the estimation depends on the number of shots. That's all for today. Thank you.